Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile photo on the Shipt Driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your profile photo. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt Driver app. Next, click on the hamburger icon on the top left-hand corner. Afterwards, click on your profile photo on the top left-hand corner again, and then click on your profile photo once more on the right-hand side. So from this option, you can either take a new photo or you can choose from your library. Go ahead and choose whichever option you want, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile photo on the Shipt Driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.